Ready to turn your kitchen into a stress-free zone? You're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing 30 new kitchen gadgets that will completely change the way you cook. These clever tools take on the hard work so you can enjoy the fun part, creating delicious meals. Let's jump into the countdown. Number 30. Grease Splatter Guard. This isn't a flimsy screen. It's a heavy-duty, four-sided stainless steel fortress that contains the entire cooking chaos. The foldable design makes storage a breeze, and it even includes a handy silicone spoon rest. For anyone who hates post-cooking cleanup, this guard is your first line of defense, saving you time and effort every single day. Number 29. The Bathect Fat Separator. Imagine making a rich, flavorful turkey gravy or a lean and healthy beef stew. This clever glass tool makes it simple. You pour your pan drippings in, and the fat rises to the top. The special spout lets you pour out the delicious fat-free liquid from the bottom. It includes a mesh strainer to catch herbs and bits, and it's heat-resistant for direct stovetop use. It's a small price for restaurant-quality results at home. Number 28. The Oil Sprayer. This elegant glass and stainless steel sprayer gives you a perfect, fine mist of oil for evenly crispy fries, chicken, and veggies without sogginess. The dark glass protects oils from light, keeping them fresher longer. It encourages healthier cooking with less oil and less waste. It is a tiny tool that makes a massive difference in your daily cooking routine. Number 27. The Electric Composter. This sleek countertop composter quietly grinds and dehydrates your waste overnight, reducing its volume by up to 90% into odorless, nutrient-rich fertilizer. The charcoal filter locks in odors, and an automatic cleaning cycle makes maintenance effortless. It's an investment for the eco-conscious cook, dramatically reducing landfill waste and giving you a sustainable way to feed your plants. Number 26. The Doll Life Cut-Resistant Gloves. Whether you're julienning vegetables with a mandolin, shucking oysters, or deboning a chicken, these gloves are your ultimate safety net. Made from high-density polyethylene, they offer top-level cut protection while allowing for surprising dexterity and a secure grip. They're machine washable and food safe, making them an essential, low-cost tool. Number 25. The Aermson Countertop Dishwasher. With 5 wash programs, including a speedy cycle and a fruit wash setting, this dishwasher tackles everything from wine glasses to greasy pans quietly and efficiently. A built-in water tank means no permanent faucet hookup is needed. It's an investment that gives you back precious time and eliminates the dreaded sink pileup for good. Number 24. The Gas Shell Stove Cover. It sits perfectly over your stovetop when not in use, providing a stable, gorgeous surface for meal prep. But it's not just a cover, it's a massive charcuterie board or serving tray for parties. With non-slip feet and easy carry handles, it's the definition of multifunctional design, blending utility with rustic charm. Number 23. The Siokami Brisket Slicing Knife. A great knife is an extension of your hand, and this 12-inch slicer is a masterpiece. The stunning Damascus-patterned blade is razor-sharp, gliding effortlessly through delicate smoked brisket, roasted meats, or even large crusty bread loaves. The full-tang wood handle provides perfect balance and control, making precise, paper-thin slices a joy. Number 22. The Techwood Outdoor Electric Barbecue Grill. It delivers authentic grill marks and flavor without the smoke, making it safe for balconies and even indoor use with proper ventilation. The large double-layer surface is perfect for burgers, veggies, and more, heating up quickly for a spontaneous barbecue any day of the year. It's all the fun of grilling, simplified. Number 21. The Zonzest Egg Flipper Tongs. The unique design allows you to confidently flip delicate sunny-side-up eggs, fragile fish fillets, or slippery pancakes without breaking them. It combines the precision of a spatula with the secure grip of tongs. It's a simple, low-cost innovation that solves a common cooking frustration, making it a utensil you'll reach for far more often than your old-fashioned spatula. Number 20. The Liebelecker Food Processor. It is perfect for small daily prep jobs. It effortlessly chops onions, garlic, herbs, and nuts in seconds, and is ideal for whipping up small batches of salsa, pesto, or baby food. The removable bowl is dishwasher safe, making cleanup faster than the prep itself. It's the ultimate time saver for quick meals, saving you tears and tedious knife work. Number 19. The Elite Gourmet Toaster. Solve the morning bottleneck with this high-capacity toaster. The extra-long slots comfortably fit everything from artisan bread and bagels to frozen waffles, toasting them all evenly and simultaneously. A dedicated warming rack on top heats pastries and croissants, while features like reheat, defrost, and a cancel button add smart convenience. Number 18. The Programmable Electric Kettle. This sleek kettle lets you select the exact degree, from 115 degrees Fahrenheit for delicate green tea to a rolling boil for French press coffee. The Keep Warm function holds your water ready for up to 2 hours, and the double-walled design stays cool to the touch. It's a simple upgrade that transforms your daily brew into a perfect barista-level experience every time. Number 17. The AI Vicky Baking Set. This is the space-saving baking solution you've been waiting for. The set includes 2 cookie sheets, a roasting pan, a cake pan, a loaf pan, and a muffin pan, all crafted from durable carbon steel with superior non-stick coating. The brilliant part is, they all nest together, saving up to 70% of your cabinet space. Perfect for everything from Sunday roasts to birthday cakes. It's the only bakeware set most home cooks will ever need. Number 16. The Malacasa Pasta Bowls. Transform your meals from simple to spectacular with these elegant, wide, and shallow pasta bowls. The design isn't just beautiful, it's functional, giving you plenty of room to twirl spaghetti without a mess. The generous 56-ounce capacity is also perfect for salads, soups, and grain bowls. Made from lead-free, chip-resistant porcelain, they are microwave and dishwasher safe.
Number 15. The Wooden Egg Holder. This 2-tiered wooden rack securely holds up to 24 eggs, preventing them from rolling and cracking. The stackable design saves valuable counter or refrigerator space, and the smooth, polished wood adds a warm farmhouse touch to your decor. It's not just for eggs. Use it to display colorful fruits or small tomatoes. A simple, beautiful solution for a common clutter problem. Number 14. The Churro Maker Machine. This fun, versatile machine lets you create perfect golden churros, cookies, and even filled desserts with ease. It comes with multiple nozzles for different shapes and a piping bag for injecting delicious fillings like chocolate or dulce de leche. It's a fantastic activity for family baking days or impressing guests with unique homemade treats. Number 13. The Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. It creates light, fluffy snow in seconds, perfect for cones, slushies, or cocktail mixers. Take it to the beach, the park, or your backyard for instant frozen treats. It includes reusable ice molds and a receiving bowl, making it an incredibly fun and portable centerpiece for parties, picnics, or simply beating the heat on a hot afternoon. Number 12. The Farberware Rolling Pin. Experience the joy of effortless baking. This rolling pin features smooth, ball-bearing handles that glide with minimal pressure, giving you perfect control over your dough thickness without sticking or wrist strain. The solid hardwood construction is durable and moisture-resistant, making it ideal for pie crusts, cookies, and pizza dough. Number 11. The Itoolpix electric pot. This is the ultimate all-in-one cooker for small spaces or solo cooks. It's a compact powerhouse that sautés, fries, boils, and steams right on your countertop. Whip up a single serving of stir-fry, boil ramen noodles, or steam vegetables without turning on the stove. It's like having a second, versatile stovetop that you can store in a cabinet when not in use. Number 10. The stainless steel salad spinner. The secret to a restaurant-quality salad. This heavy-duty spinner uses centrifugal force to remove every drop of water, ensuring your dressing clings instead of sliding off. The non-slip base keeps it stable during the vigorous spin, and the push-button brake gives you control. It's not just for lettuce. Use it to dry herbs or freshly washed berries. A simple tool that elevates the simplest of dishes. Number 9. Grill basket. Never lose a sliced zucchini or shrimp through the grill grates again. This locking stainless steel basket is a game changer for barbecues, holding all your vegetables, fish, or smaller items securely in place. It often comes with a bonus set of skewers and a basting brush, making it an incredible value for anyone who loves the flavor of the grill, but not the mess. Number 8. The reversible cutting board. It tackles two problems at once: food safety and space. One side is 316 grade stainless steel, naturally antibacterial and perfect for raw meat. The other side is gentle wheat straw plastic for everything else. The genius design allows it to fit over your sink, creating instant extra workspace in a small kitchen. It's hygienic, durable, and one of the smartest organizational tools you can add to your counter.
Number 7. The 2Meow K-Cup Coffee Maker. It brews both hot and iced coffee from K-Cups or ground coffee, with a large 52-ounce reservoir for multiple cups. Choose from 5 brew sizes and a bold setting for stronger coffee. The removable drip tray accommodates tall travel mugs, and the compact design fits anywhere. It's the perfect single-serve machine for households with diverse coffee preferences, all before the morning rush. Number 6. The Kid Isel Nut Milk Maker. Create pure, additive-free plant-based milk in minutes. Simply add nuts and water, and this smart machine does the grinding, heating, and straining for you. It makes almond, oat, and soy milk, and even has modes for boiling water and, best of all, a self-cleaning cycle. It's healthier, more cost-effective than store-bought, and puts you in complete control of your ingredients. Number 5. The OKD Pantry Cabinet. This isn't just storage, it's a stylish furniture piece that solves kitchen clutter. Standing 72 inches tall, its elegant fluted design conceals a massive amount of organized space with 10 door shelves and 2 smooth gliding drawers. It's perfect for pantry items, small appliances, or dishware. Adding vertical storage frees up your counters and cabinets, transforming a cluttered corner into a beautiful, functional part of your home. Number 4. The T-Chef Frittata and Omelette Pan. Never struggle with a broken omelette again. This innovative double-sided pan uses a simple hinge to flawlessly flip your creation, cooking both sides perfectly without any risky spatula work. The PFOA-free non-stick coating ensures an easy release and even easier cleaning. It's oven-safe and great for frittatas, stuffed French toast, and even grilled sandwiches. Number 3. The Claith Pizza Oven. Achieve authentic wood-fired pizza results on your countertop. This oven heats to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, cooking a Neapolitan-style pizza with a charred, crispy crust in about 60 seconds. It comes with a ceramic stone and a peel for a true professional experience. Beyond pizza, it's fantastic for baking bread or roasting vegetables. Number 2. The Toshiba Rice Cooker.
It's the intelligent, multifunctional pot that guarantees perfect grains and more every single time. This goes far beyond simple rice. The umami setting uses a precise heating cycle to enhance the natural sweetness and flavor of your rice. With 15 functions, it can also make porridge, steam vegetables, and even bake a cake. Number 1. French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This appliance combines an air fryer, convection oven, toaster, dehydrator, and more into one powerful unit. The brilliant French doors save space, while the massive 26-quart capacity can fit a 12-inch pizza or a 6-pound chicken. With 24 preset functions, it can handle virtually any cooking task, potentially replacing several other appliances. And that completes our journey through the future of stress-free cooking. If this countdown inspired you, please show some love with a like and subscribe. You'll find all the shopping links in the description. Big thanks for watching.